So what is a static line when it comes to helicopter operations? During particularly rainy, misty or dusty conditions, the blades of a helicopter pick up a much greater negative charge. This predominantly negative charge will want to neutralize itself with the closest ground object once it becomes within range. This normally happens within millimeters before a helicopter touches down, without any negative effect to the helicopter, equipment or passengers. The effects, however, are slightly more uncomfortable for a marine pilot hanging at the end of a hoist. In these scenarios, the voltage is discharged through the pilot at the end of the hoist at the moment of touch. To avoid the uncomfortable discharge through the person at the end of the strop, a few additional procedures will be followed. Once the helicopter is at a safe speed on approach to the vessel, the door may be opened and the marine pilot may be connected to the hoist as per usual. The marine pilot and winchman will then check for rain in the air and make their decision on using the static line. The helicopter pilot will also be informed. The static line will then be connected to the hoist as well and lowered out the door first. The static line will extend past the marine pilot's feet and therefore touch the deck first. The static line is well insulated as it discharges its voltage onto the deck, to no consequence to the marine pilot. Once the marine pilot steps out of the strop, he makes sure to guide the static line back up, ensuring that it does not snag on anything. The static line is a very useful item, but should be used with caution when operating above vessels with a lot of railings, masts and cables. Even though the static line has a weak link which will pull loose in case it does become entangled, the team will assess every job individually to ensure that the highest safety precautions are met.